Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Sumit from Backbench Coder. Today I will be hosting this static website in netlify, which is just a matter of 1 minute. So just go to netlify.com and then create an account. I have already an account, so I log in and then you will be redirected to this dashboard. So now what we need to do? We need to basically drag and drop our site folder. So go to the folder. Now before drag and drop this folder, let's talk about the code files. So if I go to my folder, which is hacker and clone, and by the way guys, if you want to make this clone, you will find the link in the description box. This project is made with HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript. So this index.html file here, this is must. This should be in your root directory, else it will not work. Yeah, that's all what netlify wants. Okay, so now go to your project directory. So this is my project directory, which is hacker clone, and just drag and drop it here. And now it will take some time, which is site is not hosted, and now site is hosted. Okay, so look at this Sleepy Yonath. I will show you how you can customize this URL, but let's go to this URL right now and look at this. First time it may take around 2 or 3 minutes to host your website, but now look at this. So this is my website. Now I can share my link. So access denied, access denied. Now it should show access granted. Okay, nice. So again, if you want to make this app, you will find the tutorial link in the description box. Now let's go to the settings of netlify. So if I go to site settings and then look at this change site name, click on this, and now you can change the site name. Let me give hacker typer save. Yeah, this is hacker typer. And now if I go to my site overview and look at this is updated with hacker typer.netlify.app, and if I click on this, look at this guys, I can literally send this link to my friends. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you are interested in web development and web designing, please consider subscribing the channel. And yeah, that's all. Bye.